In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. Make sure you're fully loaded into the main interface before moving on, so it's easier to find the options we need. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your personal avatar. This opens your account menu, where several personal display and account options are located. From that menu, select Themes. This is the area where ClickUp lets you control the visual appearance of the platform. If you want a darker interface that can be easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments, this is where you can make that change. Under the appearance options, choose dark mode. As soon as you select it, ClickUp will immediately switch the interface to a dark background with lighter text. You should see the change right away, which makes it easy to confirm that the setting was applied successfully. Dark mode can help reduce screen glare and may feel more comfortable if you spend a lot of time working inside ClickUp. If you'd prefer ClickUp to change automatically depending on your device settings, you can select Auto instead. This option allows ClickUp to follow your system theme, so if your computer switches between light mode and dark mode during the day, ClickUp will match it automatically. That can be a convenient choice if you like your apps to stay visually consistent with the rest of your system. There's also another way to enable dark mode if you don't want to use the Themes menu. Click your personal avatar again, then select Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Appearance section. In that section, select Dark. This gives you an alternative path to the same result, which is helpful if you're already adjusting other personal settings and want to change the theme at the same time. Once that's done, check the interface to confirm that ClickUp is now displaying in dark mode. You should see the darker overall appearance throughout your workspace. If the dark background and light text are visible, then the change has been applied correctly. Your ClickUp workspace is now set to dark mode. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same appearance settings and choose a different theme option. Thanks for watching.